level they never could reach. Staying so fly, but I'm still in the street. I got the color and parked on the curve. I don't say a word, I just give them the work. Started with nothing, I came from the dirt. Now I'm the boss, put your name on the shirt. Talking about money, I'm talking about growth. I kept my promise, I kept to the oath. Let's go. I'm pushing D like a pedal. I put the gold on the metal. I never settle, I'm hot like a kettle. I'm stirring the pot while I'm moving the metal. They try to box me, I broke out the cage. Turning the leaf, yeah, I'm flipping the page. But I never forget where I started the race. Look at the grill, see the grit on my face. I'm leveling up, but I'm true to the block. Keeping it solid, I'm steady as rock. Pushing my team, I'm pushing the play. Stacking the paper, we do it all day. From the basement to penthouses, look at the view. I stayed 100, I stay to the truth. They hate on the gang, but they do what we do. Bang era the king, yeah, I'm coming for you. Let's go, let's heat up. Look at the wrist, it's a freezer. I'm a big dog, you a teaser. I caught the vision, I caught the momentum. I'm taking the racks and I'm gonna go spend them. But back in the hood, yeah, they